Hey guys, so hari ni HJ bersama my friend Ain. Nanti HJ akan tunjukkan Ain kat mana. So sekarang ni HJ ada event bersama Watsons x Peripera di Shangri-La di restoran LaFite. Jom. So let's see the interior design. Hebat bukan? So hari ni HJ berada di event Watsons x Peripera Grand Launch. Yes, HJ here. Annyeonghaseyo. Wah. Okay, hari ni HJ bersama Watsons dalam Grand Launch Peripera produk. So, let's go. So, korang boleh nampak kemeriahannya kat sini. Yes. This is their tea party. So, HJ was invited to come here. So, ramailah influencer yang ada. So, korang jangan lupa buy Peripera product because it's so lovely. Jom.
Very thin layer first, because my other color is going to be on top of it. It's more solid. But I want to create the inner lips, right? It's more darker. So I go for 7. Okay, so I'm going to use my brush. Okay, so inside of the lid, in the corner, and then just basically just apply, and then tap again.
So it's a half. So that means on the base we have the Airy velvet, and on top we have 2 colors. Silver is using an ink matte tint, number color 3 on the outer layer of the lips, and inner layer is using 7, right?
Yep. Or else you can use a sponge. So for the lid together, and then just glue it up. So you won't have the kind of a solid line there. So this is an effect that I always do it very fast, and I always encourage, because in Korea everyone wear the same thing. Okay, so do experience and share with me. I will still here. Do share with me number 3 and number 7 how you feel. Okay, I love this is because it's more easier way of applying, and then the color pigments payoff is so good.
So good, yeah.
You are entitled to, so be creative.
Okay, hari ni HJ akan ada competition untuk lips.
It's all about having fun, so enjoy.
So kita menggunakan produk Peripera. So this is aqua berry. We remove all the.
If you have any questions, just raise your hand.
Scrub.
Okay, at least twice a week. Be creative, girl. And
Oh, kita
be creative.
shade number 5. Oh, you tak juga.
As usual, as I said, my advice is that if you can't choose the right color for yourself, buy all. Okay? Try from Monday until Sunday. Sunday, try again. So basically, you extended the week.
Alright, so time's up. Okay, so everyone stop.
Done?
Done, girl.
Okay, catwalk time.
Okay, so now I'm going to invite Steven to do the hardest job in the world, which is to pick one winner out of all the 40 people's beauties now. So Steven, let's go.
This is my looks.
You know, girls' voice is very hard.
Hey, we are done with I am Steven. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share on my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Watson X Peripera. Ayin. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Hey, bye.